हेलो गाइस गाइस मेरे पास ये सर आए हुए थे ये लैपटॉप लेकर के। ये बहुत स्लो था, इसमें पूरा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज हुआ है, फुल सर्विसिंग हुआ है। तो सर को पूछा जाए हमारा सर्विस के बारे में। सर आप हमारे सर्विस के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहेंगे मेरे प्यारे व्यूवर्स को?
Well, my name is Shantanu Brahma. I am recently retired from Rabindranath Tagore Hospital as HOD Medical Records. I came to know about this service center from my son Aditya. Actually, this laptop originally was purchased from this shop only. I had no problems as such, but since now, after retirement, I am taking a work from home assignment. I'll be using this laptop extensively now on a regular basis from 8 to 12 hours. So I came to Mr. Azar for a revamping and upgradation of the laptop. As I said before, there were no problems as such, but Mr. Azar went through the entire soft hardware, and he also configured the software in an exceedingly excellent and satisfactory manner. He has gone through the entire components of the laptop and made all the necessary brush ups and adjustments. And he has also configured the software, and his service is excellent to say the least. And I also have many acquaintances who have come to Mr. Azar, and all of them are highly pleased with his performance, and his behavior with the customer is excellent. He gives time, he gives patience, and he has gone through the entire laptop and configured it totally as per my satisfaction. And I can only say that it is an excellent service center, and I would recommend all viewers who are seeing this video to come to this workshop and avail the service of Mr. Azar. And I think that even after the first interaction, they will be extremely pleased, as I am, with his service, and recommend many more customers to his shop. So definitely, I will recommend all my acquaintances to this excellent service center, and I hope that he will go a long way in his journey, in this professional journey. I wish him all the best, and I'll be coming here every year for servicing of my laptop. And for any need, this is the first stop which I'll have as per laptop is concerned. Thank you.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच।